So I'm incident meteorologist Ben Bartos, and right now what we're doing is taking down a IRAWS station, which is basically a portable weather station here on the fire. What I use this for is to get ground truth observations in remote areas on the fire. So when you go on a fire, generally they can be more remote locations, which means we don't have a lot of data to work with because a lot of times weather networks are where people are. So we have folks like Dean here that will come out and set up weather stations to help get a better picture of exactly what's going on. It helps me with my forecasting and helps with verifying the forecast, which in turn helps folks out on the line to be able to actually know what's going on with conditions that can affect fire behavior. So for instance, if you look at the drainages out this way behind me, so we had a big storm push through last night, and this IRAWS just verified that we got about 2 inches of rain. And that storm cleared out this morning with some windy conditions behind it, so that's where the wind sensor would help me know what the wind gusts are doing that came through behind this front. And just generally conditions like that are really what I'm looking for as a meteorologist to help determine what's going on with the weather. Yeah, so the benefit of this IRAWS station here, specifically at this location, for instance, the storm that just moved through last night into this morning, we got on this station verified 2 inches of rainfall. Because there's a very sparse weather network in this area, I would not have known. We would have gotten 2 inches of rainfall otherwise. That's crucial for me. We've got a big storm coming in Sunday that's expected to bring even more rain. So when I look at the topography of the land and the drainages and how the soil handled 2 inches of rain, that gives me a good idea of what to expect going forward with the forecast. We're concerned about things like debris flows and flooding. I now know that this can absorb a 2-inch rainfall that might be affected now that we've already got 2 inches worth of water in the soil. That I'll have to adjust for that perhaps, but it gives me just a good picture of exactly what I can expect and just a good test of what happened. So that's how a sensor like this can really help a forecast.